My name is Elizabeth, and on behalf of Expert Village, we're continuing with our series of using beads in your card making. We're going to talk a little bit about seed beads. Seed beads are these very tiny beads that you can find that are great for adding to shaker boxes, as we spoke earlier, but also for adding frames and borders to projects or depth to a whole piece. These are also tiny beads, and some people refer to these as seed beads as well. Seed beads are generally much tinier like this, but if you hear someone talk about seed beads, they may be speaking of these if they're talking about scrapbooking or card making. They're these very small beads that still have a hole in them so that they can be strung. Typically, seed beads are so tiny that there is no hole in them. In our next project, we will be using both of these to create a border around this card that we have previously cut, stamped, and assembled, and we will make a frame around this embellishment piece here.